Today, I am reviewing the Senville Leto Series mini split air conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have spent a significant amount of time living with the Senville Leto Series 18,000 BTU mini split, and after several months of testing it through a variety of weather conditions, I feel compelled to share my experience for anyone sitting on the fence about this unit. When you are looking for a climate control solution that bridges the gap between affordable pricing and high-end performance, the Leto series really stands out as a top contender. This is a 1.5-ton system, and in my experience, that 18,000 BTU capacity is a sweet spot for medium to large living areas or even commercial spaces like a small shop or a cafe. One of the first things that truly impressed me about this unit is the sheer versatility of its 4-in-1 design. It is not just an air conditioner, it is a comprehensive year-round climate partner. Living in a climate where the seasons shift dramatically, I found the heat pump to be incredibly reliable even as the temperature started to dip. It is rated to function down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, and while many heat pumps struggle as they approach the freezing mark, the Senville maintained a consistent and comfortable output without making the air feel overly dry or stale. The inverter technology is likely the hero here, as it allows the system to adjust its power consumption dynamically rather than just clicking on and off at full blast. This leads to a much more stable ambient temperature and, thankfully, much lower electricity bills than I expected for a unit of this size. The integration with Alexa was a feature I initially thought might be a gimmick, but it has become a central part of how I manage my home. Being able to adjust the temperature via voice command when I am across the room, or using the app to pre-cool my living space while I am still driving home from work, adds a level of modern convenience that is hard to give up once you have experienced it. The setup for the smart features was surprisingly straightforward, and the app interface is intuitive enough that you do not need to be a tech expert to set up complex routines or schedules. Visually, the indoor air handler is sleek and unobtrusive. It has a clean, white finish that disappears into the wall, which is exactly what you want from a mini split. You do not want a bulky machine dominating your decor, and Senville managed to keep the aesthetics professional and minimalist. But the real beauty is in the noise level, or lack thereof. This unit is whisper quiet. On the lower fan settings, you genuinely forget it is even running, which makes it an excellent choice for a bedroom or a quiet office environment where loud hums or clicking relays would be a major distraction. The installation package was quite comprehensive, including a 16-foot line set and communication wires, which saves a lot of back and forth at the hardware store. It is important to remember that this requires professional installation to maintain the warranty and ensure the refrigerant levels are handled correctly, but having the system preloaded for up to 25 feet of line makes the technician's job much faster. Speaking of the warranty, the 5-year coverage on parts and the compressor provides a lot of peace of mind. It shows that Senville is willing to stand behind their build quality. I also want to touch on the dehumidifier and turbo functions. During those humid summer afternoons, the dehumidifier mode pulled a surprising amount of moisture out of the air without overcooling the room, making the environment feel much more crisp. When I needed a quick blast of cold air after the house had been closed up all day, the turbo mode lived up to its name, dropping the room temperature significantly in just a matter of minutes. In conclusion, the Senville Leto 18,000 BTU unit is a powerhouse of efficiency and convenience. It manages to deliver a premium feel with its smart capabilities and quiet operation while remaining at a price point that is accessible. Whether you are trying to beat a heat wave or stay cozy during a freeze, this system handles the load with ease and sophistication. It is a reliable, well-engineered investment for anyone looking to upgrade their home comfort system.